Okay, folks, this is the winch mount. I'll say that again, winch mount. I'm going to have to cut it here, across here, drill new holes over here, do the same here, I cut it across here. I was able to get the bumper off. And there's my new ramps. Up to the front of the truck. I am installing those toe points in here, along with the winch mount underneath. Both sides. As you can see, I got things halfway jacked up. I use the engine crane to remove the bumper, and I'll be putting a winch on this truck shortly, next couple of days. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day in the Lord.